We're here in support of Ricky Genius, our whiteout boat ride on August 4th, 2024. The JAHJAH crew is here. Me and a couple other representatives from JAHJAH Foundation. Because we support those who support us, and Ricky Genius 100% support the JAHJAH Foundation. So we want to big him up and big up his whole crew, big up his family. We want to bless them and so they can continue to have success in this realm of fundraising for a good cause. This is JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans abroad and Friends of Jamaica, helping Jamaicans at home.
Right about now, ladies and gentlemen, this cause is for Jamaica right now, so I don't feel like talking no more. I feel like this is some flag right now. I feel like this is some flag in the air right now, man. I feel like this is some flag in the air right now. I want this some flag, Ricky Genius and the Genius is here.